For decades, Pixar films have captivated the heart and soul of Disney fans around the world with their unforgettable stories and memorable characters. Now, there's a new upside to a Disneyland Resort stay at a reimagined Pixar-themed hotel that has so much buzz, and they crushed it. So come with me as we explore it all from the inside out. This is Disney's Pixar Place Hotel.
Get ready to have a ball, where cinematic Technicolor meets Southern California style. With fantastic surprises around every corner, you can't help feeling jazzed about your stay. Come follow towering palm trees to a place where contemporary design weaves with the whimsical artistry of your favorite Pixar Animation Studios films. The fun begins as you step through these doors into the exciting lobby rotunda, splashed with vibrant color and natural light. With luck, Bing Bong will happily greet your arrival and invite you to create core photo memories beside a larger-than-life Luxo lamp centerpiece and iconic Pixar ball. Hanging high above, a stained glass mobile showcases silhouettes of familiar pals, from Monsters, Inc., Toy Story, WALL-E, Coco, The Incredibles, and more. Inside the lobby, sophistication and fun are blended with a certain Pixar pulse. Start by checking in at the inviting front desk, and then try your luck finding the many hidden character emblems embedded throughout the hotel, one of which Bing Bong is especially fond of. Adjacent to the front desk, there are several areas to lounge and get you into vacation mode, like this Finding Nemo seating area, furnished in comfortable coral-inspired chairs against a backdrop of sketches, renderings, and 3D models that inspired the film. But Luca, there's even more to discover. From Turning Red to Ratatouille, you'll find a relaxing spot for whatever mood or mode you're in to take you to infinity and beyond. As you settle in, stock up on souvenirs, sundries, supplies, and exclusive resort merchandise at Store E. Shop to your heart's desire for a variety of Pixar-inspired toys, knickknacks, and apparel. Choose from a selection of sweet and salty treats, bottled beverages, plus the latest and greatest mementos from the theme parks. The kids can show off their artistic side, coloring great works of art in a space just for them. While grown-ups can consider taking home beautiful framed artwork featured throughout the hotel. But this vacation adventure is just beginning and can only go up from here. Make your way to the third-floor rooftop deck for a variety of recreation options everyone will enjoy. Set amongst a garden wall of lush greenery, the rooftop deck is the place for family fun day or night. Here at the Pixar Shorts Court, take part in imaginative free play and interactive games like Shuffleboard Stars, based on the animated short La Luna. Test your balance on a game that's for the birds, or toss bow-inspired friends into their giant steamer basket homes. When you've worked up a case of the midday munchies, recharge with a snack where technology meets mixology at Small Bites Pool Bar. Enjoy mini floats, specially conceived sodas, pixel-perfect cocktails, then have a seat for a challenging table game while enjoying views of neighboring Disneyland Resort hotels. For a chiller vibe, savor tranquil breezes beneath this shaded pergola. Spread out and relax on giant outdoor sofas, or comfortably gather around fire pits inspired by hot-headed Pixar characters at the Fire Pit Lounge. When it's time to cool off, you are just steps away from a Pixar paradise. Inspired by Finding Nemo and his underwater friends, this is the refreshing Pixel Pool. Take in the beautiful Southern California sunshine with a dip beneath the surface. Then, consider reserving a private day bed or canopy-covered pod to lounge the day away. For the ultimate in poolside comfort and style, treat your family to a luxurious private cabana. These cabanas feature everything you could wish for, from privacy curtains, sundries, cooling fan, large flat-screen television, and plenty of plush seating. Kids looking to get their feet wet will absolutely love making a splash amongst the bubbling fountains and tiny tide pools of Nemo's Cove. Laugh and play in all of the watery fun as you make new coral reef friends. Then, the whole family can ride a wave of thrills when they climb to the top of Crush's Surf and Slide. Feel the rush of the EAC down this 186-foot-long water slide for a ride that is totally righteous. Adults in search of a more relaxing watery retreat can soak their cares away in the invigorating Whirlpool Spa, a terrific spot to catch a stunning West Coast sunset. As dusk begins on the horizon, the pool deck takes on a whole new energy, particularly at the Fire Pit Lounge. Dry off from a day at the pool downstairs and warm up around the fire pits of Pixar pals that have quite literally blown their tops. There's Ember from Elemental, a familiar volcano you will absolutely lava, plus Inside Out's Anger and Jack from The Incredibles. So much daytime delight, you'll most certainly be working up one heck of a superhero-sized appetite. Serving satisfying bites for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, the Sketchpad Cafe is a quick-service restaurant for the gourmand on the go. Be immersed in the creative process through the cafe's imaginative decor. Enjoy animated shorts with a selection of coffees, teas, pastries, frittatas, and more, while admiring sketches tracing the evolvement of beloved Pixar characters. If you're looking for a delicious meal whisked up morning, noon, and night, look no further than Great Maple Modern American Eatery. Enjoy dining in this gorgeous sit-down restaurant with its stylish atmosphere and subtle Pixar touches. Sip on craft cocktails any time of day while savoring American comfort food made from the highest quality of seasonal ingredients. The dining area features large floor-to-ceiling retractable windows and a spacious patio for dining al fresco amongst cozy fire features. Or sit inside, sheltered beneath suspended ferns and vines. Work off that monster-sized meal at the complimentary fitness center, featuring a variety of machines, strengthening equipment, weights, and additional fitness activities. After all of this food and fun, you'll want a comfortable room to recharge your batteries. And Disney's Pixar Place Hotel has a variety of accommodation options to choose from when it's finally time to turn out the lights. Welcome inside a premium view room that sleeps up to 5 guests. This room features hardwood floors and 2 queen-size beds that are elevated for storing luggage and maximizing space. Above, an illuminated headboard sheds light on colorful art from several Pixar franchises. You'll find a rear-lit combination desk and set of drawers for additional storage, large flat-screen television, and your very own Luxo lamp. The vibrant red sofa perfectly complements the cheerful yellow and blue color palette and conveniently transforms into a daybed for additional family and friends. Off the entry, enjoy the convenience of a snack and beverage station. with glass shelving, coffee maker, and a mini refrigerator. Next to that, this double-door closet offers plenty of space to hang your belongings. And speaking of doors, this sliding one reveals a sleek, modern bathroom featuring a large lit mirror, spacious vanity with plenty of counter space, whimsical artwork, and under-counter storage. The bathroom also includes a gorgeous walk-in glass shower. Enjoy a rejuvenating spa-like experience with adjustable chrome shower fixture, textured floor-to-ceiling tile, and Disney's signature products. Premium View rooms offer spectacular views of the neighboring Disney's California Adventure Park. Soak in the sights, entertainment, and attractions, all from the comfort of your room. If mobility is a concern during your resort stay, the hotel also offers rooms to make your stay more comfortable. Welcome inside an accessible Premium View room that sleeps up to 4 adults. These accommodations feature plenty of unobstructed space and lower profile queen-size beds for easier access. In the center, the expanded desk, dresser, and beverage station features all of the amenities you've come to expect, including a coffee maker and mini refrigerator. Beside that, specially designed closets for your storage needs. The bathroom is incredibly spacious, with beautiful fixtures and finishes inside its roll-in shower and large vanity area. Finally, Premium Views can offer a bird's-eye vantage point of the Disneyland Resort. For an extra perk, consider booking a club-level room, gaining you access to the Creators Club. This lounge, exclusively available to club-level guests, is a great place to begin your day or to take a break from the theme parks. Relax in one of the several nooks while admiring the exciting collaborations between Walt Disney Imagineering and Pixar at Disney parks around the world. From attraction models to memorable showpieces and elements from yesteryear. In addition, the Creators Club serves complimentary specialty coffees, beverages, snacks, and light fare for all 3 meals, plus offers a selection of wine and beer, all with the Chef Remy seal of approval. When it's time to go out and explore all of what the Disneyland Resort has to offer, you are quite literally steps away from it all. The Downtown Disney District offers lively entertainment, unforgettable food, spirited sips, fantastic shopping, and is the gateway to the happiest place on earth, Disneyland. On top of that, guests staying at Disney's Pixar Place Hotel have exclusive access to their own private entrance to Disney's California Adventure Park, saving you precious time and energy to enjoy even more. As night begins to fall, be sure to take advantage of the magical evening benefits of your hotel stay. Descend the heavenly steps of the hotel staircase and gather near the piano to catch a jazz performance of Joe Gardner from Pixar's Soul. Listen in as he delights with marvelous melodies, shares personal anecdotes, and loses himself in the zone. Next, head outside to the rooftop deck to enjoy a gorgeous evening under the stars. Unwind with a glass of wine beside the outdoor fireplace. And on select nights, watch Disneyland Park fireworks with its synchronized musical soundtrack. Finally, for those in premium Park View rooms, settle into your PJs to watch World of Color live from your window, with show music played directly through your in-room television. All in all, a spectacular nightcap to a pixel-perfect day.
How incredible was that? If you're looking to surround yourself in a world of color and joy the next time you visit the Disneyland Resort, then a stay at Disney's Pixar Place Hotel may just be for you. And to move onward in the booking process, reach out to a travel professional at Key to the World Travel, your key to a magical vacation. I'll see you next time.